Every life is a soul's journey, and when you learn to put your own spiritual experience into words, it gives you access to a level of wisdom in yourself that you may not have known was there. I'm Mark Matousek, and I would like to invite you to my workshop at Hollyhock this summer. It's called Writing to Awaken, Spiritual Memoir as a Path of Wisdom from August 4th through August the 9th. In this program, we're going to be focusing on the experiences in our lives that have been transformational, the epiphanies, the major insights that have moved us forward along the path of awakening. Writing to Awaken is a method that I developed to help folks get to the truth of their own deep experience. Because when you tell the truth, your story changes. And when your story changes, your life is transformed. During this program, I'll be leading you through a series of guided writing exercises that are designed to help you access your own deep experience. In addition, I'll be working with you one-on-one. There will be lots of group conversation as well as couples work. Hollyhock is an ideal location for doing this kind of deep, introspective, spiritual work, and I always love teaching there. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to let me know. You don't need to be a writer to do this program. All you need are the curiosity and the intention to understand your own spiritual journey and be able to put it into words. So I do hope to see you there, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Bye-bye.